Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails is a simple and reliable solution for migrating mailboxes, public folders, archived mailboxes, and shared mailboxes from on-premises Exchange servers to various destinations such as Exchange, Office 365, IMAP, and hosted Exchange servers. With its user-friendly interface, advanced features, and seamless migration capabilities, EdbMails is undoubtedly the best software for Exchange migration, ensuring a smooth and secure migration between on-premises Exchange servers or from on-premises Exchange to Office 365. It supports direct migration between different Exchange server versions, including Exchange 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, and 2007, without the need for double hops, PowerShell scripting, or PST exports. The following sections describe the Exchange migration operation by using EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Live Exchange Migration. Select Live Exchange to live Exchange migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the source Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Exchange server. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the target Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.